Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share your note on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the sticky notes icon down below, and here select a note that you would like to share. All you have to do is swiping to the left side of the screen until this first option pops up. Click on the gray icon, and as you can see, you have a bunch of options that you can choose from concerning the method of forwarding your note. You can either send it via airdrop, messages, messenger, Facebook, Gmail, and other social networking sites. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, and then as you can see, it's your note is added here basically into the chat box, and then you should select your addressee to whom you would like to forward your message. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.